If you are a mobile technician searching for Xiaomi Redmi 6A ISP Pinout, then you landed at right place. In this post, you will file Redmi 6A ISP Pinout for remove user lock and pattern lock bypass FRP lock, and also you can use this ISP Pinout for flashing. Here is the Redmi 6A can be used to overcome some software problems on Xiaomi Redmi 6A phone. To direct it, you can use a flasher box that has direct ISP feature support, and usually the flasher box can also be used for repairing IMP like Easy Jtag, UFI, etc. Before removing or replacing IC EMMC, you should do direct EMMC first. Still, discuss a little about and pinch. It turns out the partitions don't match. For EMMC, use CamKJS. Use the new boss. Don't use the second one. What is second? Second is the second boss of the former EMC who died or asks for TP. Because of the UFI box their support TP EMMC Samsung brand, we can't mention one by one because there are many from that by the EMMC owner. The TP was revived and sold at a cheap price. Xiaomi Redmi 6A ISP EMMC Pinout. Okay, just follow this direct EMMC Redmi 6A Pinout. Please download. So that later when you want to direct again, you are not confused looking for the direct pin. Please boss, just save it on HDD boss so that at any time there are cases that can be used again. Congratulations, try the boss. 1. Please jumper for VCC VEQ CLK CMD D0 GND for GND or ground. Don't forget the jumpers are also bosses. Otherwise, the jumpers don't connect later. Clear user lock. You can try using ISP method via UFI EMMC toolbox. Use factory reset under special task and user partition tab, or using eTool by MRT, Android EMP tool.